Welcome to this calm English listening practice. Today, we will begin a peaceful story about a quiet morning. You do not need to hurry. You do not need to think too much. Just sit comfortably and listen slowly. Let the words come to you gently. Take a deep breath and enjoy this calm moment. It is early in the morning today. The sky looks soft and light. The sun rises very slowly. Everything feels calm and new. I wake up in my bed quietly. I do not hurry or rush. I take a slow, deep breath. My body feels relaxed and warm. The room is silent and peaceful. Soft light enters through the window. The air feels fresh and clean. I enjoy this quiet moment alone. I sit up slowly on my bed. I stretch my arms gently. My mind feels clear and calm. This morning feels kind and safe. I stand up and walk slowly. The floor feels cool under my feet. I move without any noise. The house is still very quiet. I open the window softly. Fresh air comes into the room. I breathe in slowly and deeply. The air feels cool and peaceful. I hear birds singing outside. Their voices sound gentle and sweet. They welcome the new morning. The sound makes me feel happy. I look outside the window. The sky is light blue and soft. Trees move slowly in the wind. Nature feels calm and alive. I walk to the kitchen quietly. The house is calm and silent. Everyone is still sleeping. I enjoy this peaceful time alone. I fill the kettle with water. I place it carefully on the stove. I move slowly and calmly. I enjoy doing things without hurry. The water begins to get warm. Soft steam rises slowly upward. The kitchen feels cozy and quiet. This moment feels warm and safe. I make a cup of tea. The smell is gentle and relaxing. I hold the cup with both hands. The warmth feels comforting and nice. I sit near the window again. I watch the morning light grow. I take small, quiet sips of tea. Everything feels slow and peaceful. I listen to the quiet sounds. A bird sings far away. Leaves move softly outside. The world feels gentle and kind. My mind feels calm and clear. I do not think about work. I do not feel any stress. This moment belongs only to me. I enjoy doing nothing for a while. I simply sit and breathe slowly. I let my thoughts pass quietly. Peace fills my heart gently. The morning light becomes brighter. The day slowly begins to wake. I still remain calm and relaxed. I enjoy this soft transition. I finish my cup of tea slowly. I feel warm and comfortable. My body feels ready for the day. My mind feels peaceful and steady. I stand up and stretch gently. I smile without any reason. This calm morning helps me feel strong. I feel grateful for this time. I look outside one last time. The morning feels bright and hopeful. The world looks calm and open. A new day is ready to begin. I feel prepared for the day ahead. I carry this calm inside me. I move forward with a gentle heart. Peace stays with me. Learning English can be calm too. You do not need to rush. Slow listening helps your mind. Gentle practice brings confidence. Take time to listen carefully. Repeat these words when you want. Let English flow naturally. Stay relaxed and patient. Thank you for listening today. I hope you feel calm and peaceful. Practice English slowly and kindly. Have a gentle and beautiful day.